Hi guys, how are you all? Hi Nidhi.
Good. Hi.
Hi Akshita. Hi Prince. Prince, how are you doing in school?
I'm doing alright.
New school good?
Yeah,
Got good friends now?
kind of.
Kind of, okay. Missing old school?
Yeah,
But that'll be fine. New school is new school. Jay, did your mom get the calculator?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it? Okay, good. Good to know. Okay. How was the homework last week, guys?
It was good.
It
was pretty easy.
easy, good to know. But I think some of them.
Miss Priya, do you just want us to send pictures of it to submit on Cam Scanner?
Absolutely, ma. Then only I'll
Okay.
know, right?
Because I don't know if you want me to check my answers first and send it. 'Cause I don't
Absolutely, I
know.
want you to.
Because I
see
don't
what-
know where the answers are.
Yeah, same. I was just about to ask the same question. I finished it, but I don't know how to check my answers.
Okay, good question. Okay, let's go over that. I'm glad you're asking. Let's see, guys. I will first share my screen. Let me. Okay. So you want to know where the answer is. Did you not see in the Google Classroom? It's not in there. If you tell me it is not in there, then I will post. It just depends. Let's see. Algebra 1, right? I really want you to go over. See, 407. Okay. Let me view the instructions. How do I see? Let me show you. I'll share my screen with you. I'm not able to share. Okay, here you go. This one, right? Did you check? I don't know, guys. You have to check and let me know in the classwork. Did you see any material posted? No. The Algebra 1, module 1, 2, 3, 4 answers are in here, right? Which module are we in right now?
It says 9.
Oh, we are at 9th module.
Yeah, I already checked those answers to see if they were there. I
That's
couldn't find them.
nice. So we are in module 9. So like that, if you can ask me, in that case, if we are running out of modules there, right, you have to let me know so I can post. If nobody is asking, I'll never post. I don't want to unless somebody asks. You see what I mean? Algebra 1, book answers, HMH. Which module are we in, ma? Can you check and tell me, ma?
It says 9.1. Yeah, it says mod. I
Okay,
think it's
9
module
point.
9.
Let me go ahead and post. 7, 8, 9, 10, I'll post it. Okay. There were till 4, right? I can post 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that fine? Let me share it right away. You can as well see, so everybody will know that I'm sharing as well. Let me share my screen again. I put it in here as a material. I don't know what modules are these. Just now I told some modules, right? See, that's 9, 10. 7, 8. Please make use of those, guys. Check your answer. Come back and ask if you have any questions as well. One another way of cross-checking your linear systems is you can go to Desmos graphing calculator, put your questions, put your equations in there, automatically it will plot and show you the answers. Make sense? So I'm writing it as book answers, module 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that enough for now? As soon as we finish module 10, somebody should come and ask, then I will post. Make sense? Okay, can I move on now?
Yeah.
I'm glad you're asking. So, any questions on that substitution and graphing linear systems, guys?
I didn't have any questions.
Okay, anybody else has any questions on those?
Miss Priya?
Yes, ma'am, I'm hearing you. What
I
is it?
got the calculator.
Oh, you got the calculator. Good job. Having the calculator is very good. Do you want me to show it to you today? How to do?
Yes.
Does everyone have a calculator?
I don't have one yet.
Doesn't matter. Can you go to ti84calc.com? Would that work? Would that work? ti84calc.com. That also works. Okay. I would like to do a problem on the board, but for that I need your assistance, you know. One second, guys. I would like to show you on the calculator, but okay, I can myself take a question. Wait, guys. 427. Did you all use a calculator in school, Jay?
Yeah, we have a calculator in school.
You learned how to use a calculator in school?
Yeah, kind of.
That's good to know. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show whoever has the calculator, please take
Miss
it
Priya?
and use it. Yes, ma.
This is not awning. Do we have to charge it?
Mm.
Okay.
If you don't have the calculator ready, go to ti84calc.com. Please do whatever I'm doing. Otherwise, everything will be new. You can't do it on your own after the class. Go to ti84calc.com. Let's do one problem today.
Miss Priya, does it have to be on the computer or can it be on a phone?
Phone. I don't know, ma. Phone. I have never used this.
Oh, okay.
So I'll leave it to you to decide, okay?
Okay.
If you find it easy, I'm all for it. But I don't know. Honestly, I have never used T84. There is an app, I think you can install it as well, I have heard. Okay. So
Okay.
let's see this one. 3y equal to minus 5x plus 15 minus 14 equal to minus 2x plus 7y. This is the equation given. How are we going to do it in the calculator? We want to use the calculator and find the answers for this one. It's an easy one. Ritisha, I want you to be on the video, ma. Arush, I don't see you on the video at all, so there's no point being on the video for you, Arush. I really want to see you. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. This won't work. I cannot type it properly in the calculator. I have to convert it to the slope intercept form. You got it? So when I convert this to the slope intercept form, what happens? Who can help me convert? Akshita, can you help me convert?
Divide the whole equation by 3.
Mm-hmm. Can I write it like this? The second equation, what should I do? 7y will be equal to minus 14 plus 2x. Divide by 7 throughout will be 2 by 7x minus 2. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay, now These are the two equations, number 1, number 2. Can I go ahead and show you guys? Go to stat plot. There is a y1 equal to, right? That means I'm going to type my first equation there. What is the equation? You have to be very, very careful here. You have to use parenthesis. The fraction and all should go in parenthesis. So it is parenthesis. The minus 5 by 3 means you have to use this minus. Guys, please listen. Minus 5 by 3 means you have to use this minus. This minus is only subtraction. Are you all
Miss
listening?
Priya?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
what did you click on?
Yeah.
Stat plot. Good question,
Where's-
Master.
Oh, okay, there.
Stat plot. Did you click on it?
Yeah, I clicked on it.
Yeah, it is so important. See, for the first few times, it is so important for you to get assistance. You get frustrated once. Then go to Google and ask, what should I type? Once you get it only, the calculator becomes easy. That is why I want each of you to have your own calculator and get used to it. SAT exam will be filled with this. You got it? Do you have your calculator?
Yeah, I do.
Good. Okay. This minus 5 by 3 is notorious. You see, there is a minus. There is a 5 by 3 fraction. Whatever I don't like, everything is in there. So you know what I do? Minus 5 by 3, I have to use this minus, whatever I have circled. Okay, that is your minus before the number. Minus 5 divide by 3. Okay, minus 5 by 3x, right? So I will write it down as parenthesis minus 5x is here. Do you see? X divide by 3 parenthesis close plus 5. Any questions, guys?
Miss Priya, how do we delete a number?
How do we delete a number? Okay, I don't know. I'm going to try. Ayyo, what did I do? I don't know what I did. Sometimes there are things I don't know too in this calculator. Okay, you guys
Okay.
help me. That's how I get help. I'm going to show you. Wait, I know how to delete. It's not that I don't know. Let me show you. I'm just saying. Okay, let's say there's a comma. Clear. Clear clears it off. You want
Oh,
to
okay.
delete one by one? If you want to delete one by one, let's see. 89. Delete. It's not deleting. So go left, delete. Go left, delete.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, most of the things I'll know, but then I'm just saying if I don't know, you guys should help me because you're all tech savvy. Once you start operating the calculator, you'll know much more than me. So at those times, you will help me. For now, I'll help you. Y2 will be equal to 2 by 7x. So in parenthesis, 2 divide by 7. No, I don't want to do this. Parenthesis, 2x by 7 I'll put in. 2x divide by 7 parenthesis close minus 2. Now go to graph. Ha! I got it. Did you see?
Mine did not work.
I'm going to help you guys, but before I help you, right? Now, the two lines are plotted. What is the difference, blue and red? Did you know? Go to plot. The y1, the first equation is blue. The second equation is red. Do you see? You can change that. Go meddle with it and see. Press on the left button, left arrow button. Go to that color. Go enter and see. See, I can change the color. I can change it to whatever I want to. So let me try changing the color. See, dark gray. I don't want that color as well. Maybe yellow. I like yellow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it worked for me, Miss Priya. It graphed it properly.
Great. Okay, nice. But what happened? I changed the color. It didn't change at all. That's so sad. I'm going to change it and see because I want to change it and see too. So, I don't know. Let's see why my color is not changing. I'm wondering. Let's see. Okay, dark gray. I don't want dark gray. Yellow. I don't like yellow as well. Light blue, navy, brown, orange, green. Okay, green is better. Green is better. Okay. So then I click OK. Now go to graph. See there? Now how to find the intersection? How to find the intersections? See, the blue color operations work after you press the second button on the calculator. The blue color, stat plot, table set, format, calc, all that works after you press the second button, the blue button. Okay. Now I go to second calc. No, yeah, second calc. Second trace button, if I press, it's calculate the intersect. Press enter. No, that's not the intersect I want. Enter. No, that's not the intersect I want. Enter. Keep on pressing enter. There you go. You got
Miss
it?
Priya,
Yeah.
can you go back to the plot? I was trying to figure out how to on this thing because it wasn't charging at the beginning. But I understand.
You understand now? Okay, go to stat plot. Type in your equations. I'll wait.
Miss Priya,
Everybody should get it today.
what
Okay,
did you do after that?
Don't be left behind. I'll help you.
What did you do after you graphed it and changed colors?
After I typed in the equation, I went to graph.
Yeah.
It graphed.
After
Okay, you can
that?
change colors if you want here. Go to
Okay.
graph, it graphed it. Now I have to calculate the intersection, right? If you want to
Okay.
solve equations, right? So second calc, it will ask me to
Second
calculate
calc?
what it is asking me. Intersect. Press 5. You see?
Miss Priya.
Wait, how did you do
Okay,
oh, so you click second and then you click trace and then
Yeah.
what did you do?
Use down arrow, ma. Down arrow to
Oh.
bring to whatever you want.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, and then I click enter.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
How did you get the intersection point?
How did I get the intersection? What are you getting? Are you operating in the website or where are you operating?
I'm doing it on a website because I'm waiting for
Can
my
you
sister.
share the screen for me? I'll help you.
Yeah.
Miss Priya, it's showing this for me. It's
What
not
is it
showing
for?
the graph you have.
Huh?
It's not showing the graph that you have.
What is the graph it's showing?
It's showing a blue straight line and then a red line in the bottom.
What do you have in stat plot?
I have a -5. Well, in parentheses, -5 divided by
1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. I'll come to you, Samanvi. Let me finish Prisha's, okay?
This
Prisha,
one
go
looks
ahead, ma.
It's like if I do this, like it shows me the interest. Like it started on the y intersection.
I know. I got it. Okay. Second calc you press.
Second, and then trace.
Mm.
And then do
Go
I just hit 5?
Go to 5, yeah. Okay, enter. Enter. Enter.
Oh,
Got it.
okay. Thank you.
You know, wait. But before that, you have to understand what it is asking. The first time it's asking, right? First curve, second curve. That means it is asking, hey, I'm going to find the intersect for you between the first curve and the second curve. Is this what you want? It's asking. So first curve is the first leftmost point. So second curve is the rightmost point it's asking. So between that, whatever intersection is there, it will find.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Miss
How
Priya?
do you find the point of intersection again?
How do I find the point of intersection? Do you have the calculator with you to be shared or somehow?
I have the digital one, the one you're using.
Oh, that then you can't share, right? Okay.
Wait,
No problem.
did it stop sharing my screen?
That's okay, ma. I'll share my screen, ma.
No, I mean, I'm just asking because it's not telling me.
Yeah. You stop sharing screen. Correct.
Miss
Yeah.
Priya?
Yeah, ma.
How come it showed me and Prisha 2 different y points? But I plotted the exact same points as
I don't get you. I don't get what you're
like
asking.
you know at the top when it's saying y1 is equal to -5x divided by 3 plus 5, that part
Hey,
above.
Ashrita, are you doing it in the calc.com?
Yeah.
Then please share the screen and ask what you're
Oh,
asking.
okay, yeah.
That's the best way. That's the quickest way to get help. If you are having the website, share the screen quickly. We'll finish. Otherwise, we're just wasting time, right? Go ahead.
Okay. How do I give me 1 second, Miss Priya? Trying to find how to.
Whoever has doubts, please quickly share, ask, get it. Stop sharing.
I don't. Okay, I found it.
Miss Priya, the plot got deleted for some reason. It restarted.
Plot got deleted.
It restarted.
Okay. Can you do it in
Um,
tia84calc.com and show me what you're doing, ma? Yeah, that's correct, right? What is that, Ashrita? What is your doubt?
Yeah, but that was because when Prisha did it, this number was different. It's for her. It started with y is equal to 0.9 something.
Oh, that's okay, ma. Don't worry about it, okay?
Okay.
Oh,
I just wanted to make sure if I
yeah,
was.
okay. Can you go back to your start plot? I want to see.
This?
Minus 5 by 3x plus 5, 2x by 7 minus 2. That is correct. Oh, her answers were different, huh? Let me see my screen. Oh, I see. That was good observation, lady. 3.63 minus 1.06. Prisha, can you share your screen once more? Yeah, mine and yours are the same, Ashrita.
Oh, okay.
Maybe
Prisha, can you share your screen once more?
I stopped sharing.
I might have typed it in wrong, but
Oh, it's
yeah,
gone?
I'll share. No, I might have. What I said is I might have typed it in wrong.
No, you typed it in correctly, but can you show me? Maybe, I don't know, ma. I don't have an answer. Let's see.
Like Prisha typed in the same thing, but like the more enters you click, it's like changing.
Can you
So
press enter, ma, Prisha? Meaning, go to math second calc. Yeah, yours is different. Hey, I know what is the. Oh, I know what is the problem, Prisha. Okay, go to intersect.
And
Uh,
like second.
I know what is the problem, Prisha. Go back to your stat plot. I'm glad you pointed it out, Ashrita.
Is it wrong?
No, this is right.
I think just press enter again because that's what worked for me.
Minus 5 by 3 x plus 5, 2 by 7 x minus 2. Correct. Okay,
Miss
go
Priya,
back.
I had the same answer as Prisha, and the more enters I click, it changed
Okay,
to
let's
yours.
see. Let's see. Prisha, go. Second calc. Okay. Go to 5. Okay. Enter. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Enter. No, but that's not correct. Enter. Second guess. Okay, enter. That is the intersection.
Oh, yeah, it just popped up, but I hit enter too many times. But
See,
yeah,
now it says intersection, right? That is your intersection. First curve. No, it is asking between this and that point I'm fixing. This is the intersection point. Correct intersection point.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
3.5. Wait. Let me see mine.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
First curve, enter. Second curve. Yeah, Ashrita, we did not go to the intersection, Ashrita. You have to go to the intersection.
Actually, like at school, when we were learning how to do it, she just said keep on hitting enter until you get to intersection. I guess.
Yeah, that's correct. See, because it is asking you first curve means leftmost point, second curve means rightmost points. Between that, whatever is the intersection, it's showing, it has to show intersection and x and y. That is your intersection point.
Wait, so Miss Priya, what do you want me to do?
Enter till it shows intersection. That's the best way.
Yeah, it's like 3 enters or 2, 3.
Oh, okay. So do you want me to do second calc again? Okay.
Yes.
But it still says the same thing.
That's okay, ma. Do another problem and see.
Oh, okay.
Because it already got you the answer, it wants to stay there. That's all.
Okay.
Do you want me to stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, thank you. Samanvi, did you get it? Who didn't get it? Who needs help?
I got it.
Who needs help? This is the time to ask for help if you want.
Miss Priya, can you show how to open the graph after putting in the points again, like the equation?
Yeah, sure. How many ever times you ask, I'll help you now. But when you come after 2 class and ask how to do this, how to do that, I'm not the person. Okay, because we already allocated time. We already went to whatever questions you ask. You saw ask now. So now you wrote down your equations, right? Then just go to graph. Nandini, who is this Nandini? What is the time?
Whenever I go to graph, it says there's an error.
That is because you're not using the correct minus, Nidhi. You're not using the correct minus. I told you, right? The bottommost minus is the minus that you need to use for minus 5 by 3.
I didn't see that because I went to go get the calculator.
Okay, see, that's the problem. If you miss instructions, it's gone now. Okay, go back, quit. Quit and go back to your start plot, correct it. Clear? Nandini? Hey, who is this Nandini? Who is this Nandini? Can you come on the video? Nandini. Nandini. Who's this? I need help for it though. Sure, Avyuk, I will do it. Okay, done?
Miss Priya.
Yama. Who's this Nandini?
Mm.
Okay, go ahead.
So, how do we zoom in and zoom out?
Why do you want to zoom in and zoom out? You have to position your window accordingly. You have to click on window and adjust the x min, x max, x value minimum, x value maximum, y value minimum, y value maximum. Then it will be zoomed in and zoomed out.
Okay, thank
Make sense? Window means you're adjusting the window to show what? You got it, Johan?
you. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, window will tell. Window you can adjust. X min one, if you don't want to see the left side, you can just say 0 or -1, -2. Got it? Can I move on? Okay. Now you all know how to graph it now, right? Now, Avyukt wanted help with what are you doing, Avyukt? You're doing
We're doing
regression chart?
we're doing trends in a scatter plot and regression.
Oh, are you doing it in the calculator?
No.
Oh, you're doing scatter plots. What is that help you want?
I mean, I'm getting confused on how to like find our
Find correlation coefficient.
correlation coefficient.
Are you being given a table?
Yes, I'm given a table or a graph.
So what do you do? Do you have the worksheet with you?
Yes, I can go get it.
Yeah, send it to me in chat.
Sure.
If you can share it to me, share it with me in chat, it's the best thing you can do. Quickly do it, ma. Okay, now guys, can I stop screen share? Anybody needs help with solving it? Ritisha, did you get help solving it in the calculator?
Yes.
Did you understand? Okay.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead with guys, stop. Wait. I want to stop share. Okay, I want to share my notes with you guys. Okay, wait, guys. Hey, one thing, whenever you enter the classroom, right? Zoom classroom, right? Make sure you have your name, guys. Otherwise, I'll not let you in at all. Okay. There's somebody who has some weird name trying to come in. I'll never let them in. That's it. So please remember to log in with your own names. Then only I'll know who's coming in, right? Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. So those two equations, right? So by graphing, you know how to use, by graphing, now you know how to solve a system. Okay, next one, we did substitution last week, right? How about, I really want you to try using something else. Let's see. How about this? 4x minus 2y equal to 12, x plus 2y equal to 8. If you're given this, right? Immediately look at the coefficients. Coefficient means in this This is the coefficient. This is the variable. Okay, variable is x. Coefficient of x is 4. 3x. Coefficient of x is 3. Now look at the coefficients. What can you do? See here, there is a minus and a plus exactly alike. That is the trump card here. How to, I'm going to eliminate. I'm going to solve this system by elimination. How do I eliminate it? The easiest way is to find out whether I have a plus and a minus of the same thing. Yes, I do. So you know what? I can add the left side, I can add the right side. Add the left side, this will completely disappear because of the plus and the minus, it will become 0. So 4x plus x is 5x. Add this together, equal to 20, x equal to 4. So easy. After you get x equal to 4, plug it in here. 4 plus 2y equal to 8, 2y equal to 4, y equal to 2. See how easy it is, guys? Just look at the coefficients. Is there anything you can make use of? Yes, I can. Minus 2y plus 2y. If I add everything, they're going to get cancelled. Did you get it, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
Priya. So when you did 12 minus 8, you got 4. So you got x is equal to 4, right? Or I mean 12 plus
I
8.
added both equation because they
Yeah,
were of
okay.
different formats.
Okay. So you got x is equal to 4.
Yes. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
So that is by substitution. Avyukt, I hope you're getting ready with whatever you want, correct?
Yeah.
How about this? 2x plus 6y equal to 6. 2x minus y equal to minus 8. This is the case. What do you want me to do, guys? Who is going to help me with this?
2x plus 2x is 4x.
But you don't want that, right?
Oh.
We don't want to create. We want to eliminate.
Oh. Okay.
If you want to eliminate, yes, the culprit is this one because both are same. But we need to do something else. Ritisha, yes, Ritisha. What can we do?
You can multiply one of the equations by -1.
I can do that. She brings up a good point. What should I do? But both are the same. I cannot cancel if I add, right? So what can I do? You know what? I can do one thing. For this entire equation, right? Whatever sign is in there, I can negate. That is multiplying by -1. Multiplying by -1 will get me everything negated. After doing that, I can add both the equations. See, this disappears. This becomes minus 7y equal to minus 14y equal to 2. Now I plug this in. 4 minus y equal to minus 8. Y will be equal to 12. Make sense, guys?
Wait, but can't you also can't you subtract them?
Oh yeah, you can subtract them if you
you
have the ability to not to do it correct, not to do it incorrectly. If
Oh,
you're
okay. So
really skillful, you'll do it incorrectly by subtracting. You see what I mean? Many
yeah.
of you make mistakes, and I prefer you multiplying one of the equations by -1 completely and adding.
Okay,
You
so
can
since you
subtract both the
added-
equations, but subtracting, you will all make mistakes. That's the problem.
Miss,
I'm not saying all, but most of you. Go ahead.
so for y equals 2, don't you plug it in for the y?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry. Yes, I plug in for the Y. I'm sorry. Johan, good catch, Johan. Impressive. I plug in for the Y. Sorry, guys. It was completely my bad. Is that okay, Johan?
Yeah.
Yeah. How to check it? How to check whether my answer is right or wrong? I'll go back to my equation. Let me check. I'll plug in x and y. X is minus 3, y is 2. Is that correct? Yes, minus 8, minus 8. For the second equation, I'll try. 2x plus 6y equal to 6 was the equation, right? So let me plug in minus 3. So it becomes minus 6. Y plus 12 is a 6. Yes, both are correct. So my answers are correct. This is how I check it. Plug it in back in both the equations. Can I move on? Can I move on? So you can add, subtract the equations or multiply the equation by a number and then add. You can do anything that you like to eliminate. How about this? You're going to do this by yourself. Send me the answer using elimination. Use elimination to do that. Which one will you eliminate, Arush? Which variable will you eliminate here? Which variable do you want to eliminate here, Arush?
Wait, Miss Priya, I don't understand. Like,
That is hard on me, Arush. I was explaining. Did you have questions I asked you? What else should I do? Where did you miss? Dhruv, can you help me? Which variable do you want me to eliminate?
X.
You want to eliminate x? Okay. You can also eliminate y. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's funny. The equation is really funny. Are they not pointing to the same? They're just the same equation. Did you see that? It's just the same line. Guys, did you get it? Multiply one of the equation by -1. You get the other equation. So they are pointing to the same line. Avyukt, am I making sense?
Yeah.
When you multiply one of the equation, let's say you multiply the second equation by -1, what happens? Everything gets negated, right? It's pointing to the same equation. So it's just the same line it's pointing to. It's pointing to the same line. Both equations are pointing to the same line. How about this? So guys, in that case, where both the equations are pointing to the same line, right? What is the solution? What is the solution to this system? What is the solution to this system?
Inconsistent.
they're like the same line, so infinite.
How many solutions are there?
Infinite solutions?
Infinitely many
Independent.
solutions. Got it,
Consistent.
guys? Yeah, all the points merge with the other. See, all the points in this line are points in this line. So infinitely many solutions. Make sense? This one you're going to do by yourself, guys. I'm going to sit and watch. What do you do for this one? Tell me, guys. I'm waiting to know.
Multiply it by -1.
You could negate one equation.
Yeah, so what do you want to do? Yeah, let me go ahead and do it for you. What is that?
I said you could negate one equation.
Yeah, shall we negate one? Multiply by -1 -x minus y equal to -4. So now what happens?
So then I feel X and Y are getting eliminated in this.
Okay, x and y get eliminated. So this side becomes 0 equal to what? -6. What is this?
This is a no solution.
This is a false statement, right? So the system does not have any solution. So how are the lines then? How are the lines in a graph? How will the lines in a graph be if you have no solution?
They're
Inconsistent.
parallel.
They are parallel lines.
Yeah.
They don't meet at all. So no intersection, no solution. Make sense? So you can add, you can subtract or multiply an equation by some number. How about this? If you have an equation like this, what are you going to do, guys? What to do with this equation? Such a bad equation. What do you do with this? What do you do with such equations which are making you crazy? You have to play with them. So how do you play with them? Can I help you? What is that number I multiply with? This is a term, right? Whatever is separated by a plus and a minus are terms. This is a term, this is a term. What is that number if I multiply with every term? There are no fractions. What is that number I can multiply with? What is that number I can multiply with every number? Every
-1?
18. Wait, are you sorry? Like,
Oh no.
you mean the denominator?
I'm going to multiply this term by that number. I'm going to multiply this term by the same number. I'm going to multiply this term by the same number. Fractions all will disappear.
Is it like 1/18? Is that what you're saying?
18. Least common multiple. 18. If you multiply, I get 9x. If you multiply by 18, I get -14y. If you multiply by 18, what I get? Minus 120. Make sense, guys? This is a trick that you can use. Fractions, please turn it into proper nice equations without fractions. Nidhi, are you following, ma?
Yes.
Whenever you have fractions, feel free to make them into nice equations that don't have fractions. Now you're going to tell me the solution for this by yourself by eliminating. Please eliminate, come up with the solution for this in chat, guys. Please send it in chat.
Are we supposed to find the point?
Yes, ma. Can I get the answers, please? Yeah, I got so many answers which I'm proud of. Vikyat, correct, Vikyat. Arush, correct. Arush, are you following now, Arush?
Yeah.
Ashita, correct. Arush, if you listen, you just get it in a jiffy.
Yeah, my bad, Miss.
I know. Rushita, correct, but you need to listen. Dhruv, correct. Johan, no Johan. Johan, you want to do it on the board? Kavin, be very confident. That's correct. Kavin, did you understand how to use a calculator?
Yeah.
Who's this Nandini still here? Avyukt, correct. Avyukt, incorrect, ma. Prince, incorrect. Samanvi, correct. Be confident. Samanvi, no, it is incorrect though, but there's some mistake you're doing. You want to do it on the board? Doesn't matter if you're wrong, Samanvi. We're all human beings. Yes, Avyuk, tell me.
Yeah, I fixed it. And I also sent you like
You
2
fixed it.
links.
Okay, let me check.
I-
No, Avyuk, I don't think so, Avyuk. Let me see. Let me see, Avyuk, one more time. Yeah, you corrected it. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Prisha. Sorry, Prisha. 1, 2 by 3, I didn't see.
Sorry, what did you say? I didn't hear you.
Nidhi, that's right. Okay, Abhyukt, I'm checking. Guys, Amma, please, I can't access that, Ma. Can you send the drive? I can't access that. It needs permission, it won't give me. So you go ahead and send me the actual thing. You got it, Abhyukt?
Yeah, sure. But we had to do the notes on paper, and it was given as a
What?
PDF, so I can't actually send it to you. Though.
Ma, download the PDF and send it, Amma. You can download the PDF at your end. Just send it to me as a PDF. Don't send the link. Okay, you want to share screen and show? I'll tell you how to do. Okay, guys, I'm going to move on, guys. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next problem. How about this? I don't want to do these easy questions. Wait, guys. How about this? Okay, how about this, guys? I'll give you a notorious problem now. Okay, you guys are going to come up with solutions. How about this? 3x plus 8y equal to 7. 2x minus 2y equal to minus 10. Who's going to help me with this? I said you can multiply any equation with any number and somehow make their coefficients similar and then cancel out, eliminate. So what can you do?
You can multiply the bottom equation by
Exactly. Multiply the bottom by what?
4.
4. So when I multiply this bottom equation by 4, what happens? 4 times 2 is 8x. Again 4. 8y. Again 4j. Are you with me?
Yeah.
But you didn't send the answer last time. What happened?
It's because you moved on, so I didn't.
Yeah, I moved on. Then you should. Did you get the answer or not?
Yeah. I don't
Okay.
know if it's right though.
What is it?
I don't know if it's right though.
Sorry, Jay. What was that?
I don't know if my answer is right.
You should ask, right, auntie? You did
Okay.
not check my answer. What was your answer?
Wait, I'm gonna send it because I didn't send it before.
Send it. So when I have these two equations, see, I can add them together. 11x will be equal to minus 33. Make sense? Guys, did it make sense to you all?
Yes,
Now I
Miss
want to show
Priya.
you some. Yama?
Wait, Miss
Yeah, I
Priya.
was just saying it makes sense.
I didn't really understand. Can you explain it one more time?
Sure. What I'm saying is, wait, let me see Jay's answer and then. Jay, for the last problem, was that the answer?
What?
For which one you send the solution, Jay? Jay, what was the problem for which you sent the solution?
Wait, I got confused. Are you telling me to send the solution or the point?
What is that phi equal to 1 no solution?
Okay, I thought you said you have to send the solution.
Yeah, send me the solution. For which one did you send that?
The previous one.
What was the question? Tell me.
7x plus y equals -4 and 2x minus y equals 1.
Here, what did you do? Tell me.
I canceled out the y.
Okay.
And then 9x equals, oh shoot.
You found
Kinda
your
missed.
problem? See,
Yeah.
thinking it out loud, right, really helps. Me too sometimes. Minus
Oh
3.
yeah.
So what is your x value?
I accidentally put 1 instead of -3.
No problem at all. So what is the answer?
-3. -3 over 9, so -3 over 9.
Minus 1 by 3. Now when you plug in x value in your equation, what happens? You have to find out y, right? 2 times minus 1 by 3 minus y equal to 1. Minus 2 by 3 minus y equal to 1. Minus y equal to 1 plus 2 by 3, right? So y will be equal to minus 5 by 3. Make sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, now can I go to the next problem? See, guys,
Priya, can I get water?
Yeah, please, go ahead. If you are not getting answer or if your answer was not checked, it's your class. Make the best use of it by stopping and asking for the answers. Now for this one, how am I can match this, right? How to match it? I have to multiply the bottom equation by 4. If I multiply each of the term by 4, what happens? 4x by 4 I'm multiplying. So this becomes 8x minus 8y equal to minus 40.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
So why are we multiplying by 4 again?
Then only I can eliminate y.
Huh?
Then only I can eliminate y plus 8y
Oh,
minus 8y.
okay. Oh, I understand that.
I
Okay.
can also do this. I can make my work harder. I can make myself work very hard, in another way.
Mhm.
I didn't see the why, okay? I am bad at seeing the problem, okay? So you know what? I'm going to match this. How to match these two? How to match those two? I can eliminate x. How to match them? Multiply by 2. Entire thing I'll multiply by 2. 6x. See, 6 is your least common multiple between 3 and 2, right? So I'll multiply the first equation by 2. I'll multiply the second equation by 3. Does it make sense? But I want to really make my work harder. That is why I do this, because I'm introducing more steps, right? So 6x plus it will work still. 16y will be equal to 14. Second equation, 6x minus 6y equal to minus 30. Now you know, oh my god, again there is one another problem. What is the problem? Both are plus. So what do I do? What do I do?
Add them together.
I can't, right? I have to eliminate.
Oh,
Negate.
Huh?
negate
You
them.
have to negate.
Multiply the entire equation by a minus 1. Everything negates. Now I can cross them out. 22y will be equal to 44. Y is 2. When I put the 2 in here, this is 32. 32. 14 minus 32 is what? 18, right? Minus 18. So 6x equal to minus 18. X will be equal to minus 3.
So every time the values are positive, like the first values are positive, we negate them.
Yeah, because I
Okay.
don't want both as 6x. There is no way
Okay.
I can cancel them out. One of them has to be minus. So for one of them to be minus, I multiply the entire equation by minus 1. That means
Okay.
I'm negating every term.
Okay.
Whatever was the sign, I change the sign to the opposite.
Okay, thank you.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now, Avyuk, are you ready with your questions?
What questions?
Where is the graph PDF file?
I was trying to find out how to do
No
it.
problem. You share the screen. I can see it on the board and then I'll just go ahead and explain what are all your doubts. Go ahead.
Yeah, sure.
Just share. Okay, I'm seeing Avyuk's screen. What should I do?
These are some notes that we
Okay,
did.
I'll just see. I'll just understand. Oh, okay. You're finding the correlation coefficient. Okay. You're doing a linear regression. Okay, I got it. So what is that? Can I go ahead and show you how to do this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Should I stop the
Okay,
screen
you
sharing?
can come down the page.
So then over here we were supposed to match them, and then we were supposed to find out for R, and I was quite confused about how to do this.
Which one? How to do what?
Like how to find R equals this, and then be able to find. I was able to understand this positive and strong because they gave it this kind of line over here, but I couldn't understand how they were finding R in all these.
Will the teacher go through this?
No, the teacher wasn't here that day, so
So they will give the material alone, huh?
yeah.
Oh, that's scary. Okay, I got it.
No, it's probably just that we had a sub because they go over this stuff at school.
What, ma?
They go over this stuff at school, but it's just that we probably had a substitute that day.
Okay, if a substitute comes the next day, will the teacher go through or not?
Yeah, the teacher goes through.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, that's good. Okay. I was so scared. Okay, I got it. Okay, guys, now see, I showed you how to plot an equation in a graph, right? Let me take a screenshot of this. I showed you how to, can I take a screenshot of the table? Leave it there, ma. Leave it there, Vyuk.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, just leave it there. I just want this. Okay, now close it off. Can I share my screen? I want to show you something. Now we solved the equation, right, guys? Now I'm going to show you. See, if I give you an equation, you're able to directly put it into your calculator solve. Whereas there are scenarios wherein I'll be given a table. Meaning we solved, right? A table of values. You were able to plot it to a graph all the while, right? This is a table. Okay, what are they giving? The table shows the weight of the alligator in various weeks since it was born. Since it was born, alligator is born, they have tabulated the weights per week, meaning based on weeks. Okay, now Abhyuk, you're going to dictate this table to me. You got it?
Okay.
Okay, sometimes when you plot this table, plot these points, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot it into a table 0, 6, 9, 8.6, 18, 10, 27, like this I'm going to plot it. When I plot it, most of the lines may fall on the line, but some of the points may be up or down. Doesn't matter. As long as you plot a line that connects most of the points, that is fine. What you're doing by connecting most of the point is, instead of, see, always what we have done, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Like this, we have had tables and directly plotted that, drawn a line through all of them. That's what we've been doing. That is how you graph a line till date, right? But here, they have given a set of table values and they have asked us to put it into a graph. Not every point is going to be on the straight line. Okay, so you are going to draw a line that connects most of the points. Okay, now, and you're going to see, suppose if most of the points form a line like this, see, here most of the points form a line, right, upward going line. So then the correlation is a concept that comes into picture. Correlation means, does a line fit into most of the points? If the line fits into most of the points, then whatever the data points are here, right, the correlation is high. To form a line, the correlation is high. Whereas here as well, they are forming a line, you see, but it has a negative slope, meaning the two quantities are x and y, right? When x increases, y increases. The line will be like this. When x increases, y increases. So we say the quantity x is correlated. That means they have a close relationship with each other. There is a positive correlation with each other. You got it? Suppose if I plot all the points and it gives like this. In that case, do you see when x increases, x value keeps on increasing, y value goes on reducing. Do you see? That's a negative correlation. Any questions, guys? Any question on that?
No.
Now, what is this? I can't even do anything. Squiggly lines only I can draw between quantity x and quantity y. Do you see it? But some sort of a squiggly line I can draw, meaning some sort of a straight line and a squiggly line I can draw. Sometimes your points will be like this. Is there any correlation between the two quantities x and y?
No.
This is no correlation. Make sense? Correlation means what? How much of it they are related. There is no relation between x and y. Here there is a positive correlation. Here there is a negative correlation. Here there is a so-so correlation. You got it, guys? This correlation, right? Correlation always goes from -1 to 1. Just have it in your brain. The correlation, sometimes this correlation, the relationship between x and y is measured by something called correlation coefficient. This correlation coefficient tells how much x and y are related. Now, This correlation coefficient can exist between -1 and 1. If it is 0, then it's like the graph is like this. There is no correlation. If it's negative means the points are forming this line. If it's positive means the points are forming this line. Any questions here? Any questions here? So the relationship between x and y is what you called as correlation. Okay, and there is one term that we use to denote the relationship, correlation coefficient. If it is too negative, if it is nearing -1, it's great, but it is negative. The relationship is great. Similarly, if it nears +1, the relationship is wonderful, but then it's positive. Okay, somewhere between 0.5, this is like that. It's not super related, but then yes, -0.5, again, it's not super related, but the squiggly lines are going to go like this. Makes sense? Now, you know what? Given this table, I'm going to show you how to find this equation. You're going to type a table into your calculator and then find out an equation for it. And find out the correlation coefficient automatically. You don't need to calculate this value at all. Calculator will give you, provided you type in these values in the calculator. Because it's going to form a line, right? The line equation will come. But the problem is not every point is on the same line in this table. So most of the point, this line will represent and will cross most of the points in this table. Make sense? But remember, if the calculator tells the correlation coefficient is near a +1 or a -1. Near a +1 or -1 means 0.99, -0.99. You have it like this, then you can say, hey, the two quantities, what are the two quantities? Width and weight are very strongly correlated. When they are nearing 1 or -1, it's a strong correlation. Can be positive or negative. When they are near 0, it is a weak correlation. Make sense? 0.5 is the mid. On both sides, -0.5 and 0.5 is the mid. If it is beyond that, it's strong correlation. If it's between 0 and 0.5, it's weak correlation. Make sense, guys? How do you find this? Finding this is hard. Can I do it that next week in class?
Yes.
You know, you can type these values in
Yeah.
the calculator and say, hey, calculator, find the equation for the line. Find the correlation coefficient for the line. Both of that it will give. You don't need to do anything. You got it? So what the computer does, calculator does is, it will plot these points, try to draw a line that passes through most of these points. It will not be all the points. It will pass through most of the points. So if the line passes through most of the points, then the correlation coefficient will be near 1. If the points passes only 2 points or 3 points, then the correlation coefficient will be near 0. Make sense, guys? Correlation coefficient tells you how much the two properties, the x-axis, y-axis, how much there is a relationship between the values on the x-axis and the y-axis. That is the correlation coefficient. Make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, for this week, I'll not give any homework on correlation coefficient, okay? For this week, I'll just give you homework on solving linear systems using elimination from the book. Any questions for me?
No.
Okay, I really want you to work out the homework and come, because this forms your basis for all your algebra. If you don't get it, come back and ask. Correlation we'll discuss next week. But to just give an insight of what Avyukt said, I brought this up. Okay, Avyukt, did you understand a little bit now?
I understood the base of the meaning things.
Okay, the fundamentals you understand. Yes, but we will discuss how to put it into the calculator, how to find out the equation directly. The calculator will give. Directly the calculator will give the correlation coefficient as well. You don't have to sit and calculate. So, but based on the correlation coefficient, you can tell. They'll ask you, hey, is this strong correlation? Is this weak correlation? Is this positive correlation? Is this negative correlation? Those answers you can say based on your value. Here it's positive, strong, positive, strong, positive, slightly weak. You got it? Positive, strong. Suppose my correlation coefficient is like this. What do you think about it? What type of correlation exists between x-axis and y-axis?
Negative weak.
Negative weak. Negative weak. Okay, they're not that related. The points are all distributed and you're trying to draw a line like this. You got it? Okay, I'll stop here, guys. See you all next week, but we will do more next week. Good, Avyut. I'm glad you brought it up.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye,
Hi, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys.
Oh,
See you
Miss
all.
Priya, in school we just started doing association and what was it called?
Causation, correlation.
Causation.
Causation, correlation. That's what is my next topic after this.
Yeah, that word.
Yeah, I wanted to bring this up next week. He brought it up, so I wanted to cover it a little bit. Vyukt, you know what? As a part of your homework, since you're curious, right, to know how to go to Google, okay?
Bye, Miss Priya.
Okay. How to, given a table, just type this in. Given a table, use TA84 to find regression coefficient. Just type this in.
Okay.
Given a table, use TA84 to find regression coefficient. It will say some instructions, right? Follow that, type this into your calculator, find the regression coefficient.
Okay.
Makes sense? You can do it by yourself. It's not hard. I'll do it next week in class.
Sure, got it.
Makes sense? Just type it in the Google. It will give you instructions. Just follow that in your TA84 calculator.
Sure,
Makes
got
sense?
it.
That's the way we learn as well, slowly. Makes sense? Okay. Bye-bye.
Research, you say?
Huh?
Research.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, at some point, who is going to give you classes? Nobody. College, when you go, nobody will be there.
Yeah.
You just learn, you see?
Yeah. I'm trying to get into the mood of studying by myself now, because I'm now quite used to studying with you.
Oh, yeah. See, that's absolutely okay. For another 2-3 years, it's really okay. We have to handhold you. After that, slowly, you'll have to pick it up too.
Okay.
So
got
maybe
it.
one time here or there, if you start doing it, right, you will become more interested.
Mm.
You got it? Is the geometry helping you?
Geometry is also helping me, yeah.